Today I'm back out in the Willamette National Forest checking out some seasonal waterfalls. There's going to be some beautiful, beautiful ones here. I can't wait till next spring. I'm going to show you what is flowing. This is basically a double drop, possibly a third one. I'd actually have to hike up there, but because of the way the lighting is, it makes it really difficult to take a picture and show you the true beauty. But I'll turn the phone around and let you see what I got. I'm going to get to the point that start zooming in. You can see the width of this, so it's going to be a big flow of water next spring. And if you look up there, we got another drop. So, until our next adventure, have a good one.